Hey, this is Mr. Anthony from Mr. Anthony's Math World, and today we're going to explore blogging as a part of the Web 2.0 tools. But first, we need to know exactly what is Web 2.0. Here we go. So let's explore it, okay? Shall we? Web 2.0 tools. Simply this. As an educator, we have a unique opportunity to help our child learn electronically, learn through technology. And Web 2.0 is associated with a web application that facilitates information sharing, user-centered design, and collaboration on the World Wide Web. A Web 2.0 site allows users to interact and collaborate with one another in a social forum where they can share dialogue as creators and user-generated content virtually in an electronic community, as a contrast to a website where you just view. So it's a little bit different, which brings us to another point. That's called a prosumer versus a consumer. A prosumer actually creates the information, where a consumer only views the information. And what we're striving to do by using Web 2.0 tools is to get our students to learn and collaborate with one another interactively by creating their own technology. Let's go to the next slide, shall we? So, why Web 2.0 tools? As an educator, it's an effective educational tool that we can use to foster collaboration and pretty much bring the student into the 21st century in terms of technology. So the question is, why blogs? Well, before we answer that question, why blog, we have to answer, what is a blog? A blog is sometimes referred to as a web blog. It's a way of publishing, it's a tool where that allows the author, in this case of the student or even the teacher, to quickly easily self-publish text, artwork, and links. And for all intents and purposes, for an educator, it's just a way of having an online journal that's written by you as an educator to share with your students, and also to get your students to interact with you by posting their comments on what you're writing. So, a blog as an educational tool. It fosters four primary things, and that's one, it helps you with your class management. It allows you to post your information and allows your students to join you in discussion online, which pretty much promotes collaboration, and it promotes the discussion. And then it also, once you've gotten them used to that type of technology, you can also teach them how to create their own portfolios, create their own information, create their own blog, and present it, organize it, and issue it to other students and allow students to join them, so students can have their opinions and offer their opinions about the information that's being given. So this is the dynamics of a blog. You as a teacher in the middle, you create the blog. And what the blog does is allow you to communicate with your students. It also allows you to let the family of the parents of the students know exactly what's going on. And it also allows you as an educator to express yourself and let other educators know exactly what you're doing in the classroom. So you professionally, you guys begin to share ideas. So some of the benefits, according to Teaching Today at www.glencoe.com, of using a blog, it allows highly motivated students, especially those who might not otherwise participate in the classroom, to participate outside of the classroom. And it also provides an excellent opportunity for students to read and write, and it creates a forum for discussion and collaboration. And it is a powerful tool, blog that is, that enables learning and mentoring of students through technology. So, what are some of the risk factors of using a blog? Well, first and foremost, you have to get the permission of parents to have any student, any child participate in anything online. You also have to teach the students what is safe, what is acceptable, and what is sensible behavior as an online reader and an author. Also, you have to implement policies and guidelines pertaining to students' access as well as their behavior online. Then you also have to have rules, and then you have to set clear expectations of what you as an educator expect in terms of their tone, in terms of them respecting other students, and the consequences for breaking those rules. Now, like I introduced myself before as Mr. Anthony, I created my own blog here using Web 2.0 tools, and this is called Mr. Anthony's Math World. And, I think I did a pretty good job, and it really didn't take me all that long to do this blog, but I got to tell you, it was a lot of fun. And if you kind of look at it, I have, I'm here it says, Welcome, Mr. Anthony's World. Here's where we start for all parents visiting this blog with their child. Please note, I have included a video and games we covered in class. So it's a way of reiterating what has been covered in class, and it's also a way for parents and students to know exactly what's going on in the classroom. Now, you as an educator, I'm sharing this information to you as an educator to give you just some tips and some ideas of where you can go so you can start as a teacher incorporating blogs into your classroom for students to promote self-expression, self-creativity, and also create a collaborative interactive learning environment. And some of the websites, of course, is edblogs.org, freeteachforteachers.com, and learner.org. So, in conclusion, we as teachers and as educators, we're in a unique situation where we need to teach our children to be 21st century e-learners. We have to embrace technology. By the way, it definitely could be fun.